Right, here's part 2 of the firewall molding. I got some tiger hair smeared on it, and man, I really forgot how much of a pain in the ass this stuff is. I'm glad I only use it about once every couple years, because it just makes a huge mess. I just found it very hard to work with, but I end up using probably 3/4 of a quart for this, and all I did basically was just smear it on all around. You know, it doesn't look too special right now, but 90% of this stuff is going to turn to dust, and I'll be left with just a little bit of where I need. I mean, I spread it on here and mix it on here, so I'm going to take probably a 60 grit on a little angle air grinder, maybe 80, I don't know, I think the disc I have is 60. Clean it up a little bit, see what it looks like, and then I go over it again with some maybe like medium filler, something like putty coat or something like that, Bondo. I mean, I've never used actual Bondo, but putty coat works good to fill in whatever didn't get filled with this stuff. And when it's done, it'll look good when it's done. Like I said, the other one I did look pretty good. Of course, you only see this stuff when the hood is open, so I'm concerned, but I'm not that concerned. It's not a deal breaker. You don't see any of this crap. You see right there, and you see right here, and a brake booster here, wiper motor, steering shaft. So right now you're seeing bare bones. Once it's all assembled, you kind of get lost in the look. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. So stay tuned for third video.